Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am making this video on how to reduce the sound of an air pump. Actually we all face this annoying problem and at times it really gets irritating. So I had this old pump with me for like 8 to 10 years and this has been creating a lot of sound recently. So I thought why not give it a check and do anything to make it less noisy. So I just came up with this idea and I hope that trying this you might be helped also. So let's begin with this. And this is the example of the irritating sound that we have to endure every day for our tanks. And hence I think fixing it would be a great idea for the peace of mind at least, if not something else. The noise in these pumps are caused because of the metal plate and the magnet that come in contact with each other, and this transformer thing is tied with one single nut, and that actually loosens over time, and that lets the transformer to come very near to the magnet, hence causing the sound. In order to fix it, we need to move the transformer away a little bit so that they don't contact each other while they function properly. Enough with the theories, and now let's get started with the practical part. To start with, I will make two holes on the pump body. I am using a tie strap here to secure the transformer to the plastic casing of the pump. Doing this, I will be creating enough gap in there so that the magnet and the metal plate of the transformer do not come in contact with each other. And sorry for the shaky camera, guys, since I was holding the camera in one hand and working with the other, so the video quality is a little poor. Thank you for watching, guys, and please feel free to like the video in case you have liked it. So thank you again, and I wish you to have a little less noisier time with your ear pumps.
Hello, hello, hello. This is the level of the sound that the air pump is producing right now. So I guess, it's pretty noiseless and doesn't bother me at all since the frequency is very low. So I hope you guys can try this and have a better time with your earphones too. So that's all for it. And this, in case you are wondering what I am doing, this is how I am aerating a planted tank. Just throwing it out, just diffusing the bubbles through the web maker I have here. The tank doesn't have a filter yet, which I will be putting soon after the water change, first water change. So this is the update on the tank also. The lily has started to grow. I will be putting 2-3 more bulbs so let's wrap it up for today. And I hope you guys are getting the sound of this pump. I'm not too sure if it is at all recording the sound. Okay, let's end this here. Okay.